What do you have to say? Do you have to say anything, Ryan?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I have something to say. We're on the moon.
Got anything to say, Owen?
We have I have something to say.
Okay.
We have safely landed on Mars.
Oh, cool.
Wait, Mama, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. A minute ago, we were on the moon.
Oh, well, you left the moon.
Oh, yeah.
And you went to Mars?
Yes. We have safely landed on Saturn.
All right, you're making a trip all around the galaxy.
We have not safely landed on Pluto. Our aliens gonna attack us. Aliens are gonna attack us.
Oh boy.
We have safely landed. Did I say Saturn?
Yeah, I think so.
What other planet?
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording, so say goodbye.
Jupiter, bye.
Say bye. See you in outer space.
See you in outer space.